Okay, here, this is my laptop used my work. Good evening. This is my working laptop used for my workplace. So the problem this one is it is charging but won't turn on. By the way, this is a Acer laptop. So we're going through directly to the problem. So since when I turn this on, it doesn't turn but it is charging. So I actually noticed in this area there is a connection between this one going to the sensor right here. So actually the problem is the connection between this one to the this side. This is the sensor. So I just replace it and resolder this one connected to the sensor. This is a 3-wire. So if in case you have a problem with your laptop charging but not turning on, so check first this area. Maybe there's a problem with your sensor. So I just resolder this one. A little bit messy, but it does work. So again, I'm going to turn this one on and we'll see. Okay, this is my laptop. So here it is charging, and as you can see, I'll try to turn this on and we'll see. Okay, it's turning on. Actually, the problem with this one is the sensor in this area right here. Every time you close the monitor, there's a magnet here that will sense that it's closed. So every time you close this one, it will sleep. The laptop will go down to sleep mode. So that's why I did repair. As you can see, I did repair the sensor. So it's ready to use now. Maybe that's the main culprit to some of the laptop when it is charging but it doesn't turn on. So remember guys to check the sensors from the sleep mode. And that's all. Thank you.